I'm very happy with the results that I got after only 1 year. I feel much better. I'm much more confident and overall much happier. Dr. Bolton did a great job. I worked with Dr. Bolton for a few years, discussing different procedures that might work for me. The day of my procedure was very good, not even particularly that much pain. I feel much better about myself when I wake up in the morning and get to run that comb through something that's not just a chrome dome. My weight seems to be more of an issue than my hairline these days. I have to just highly recommend Dr. Bolton and his procedure. A lot of bang for the buck.
So this is my 7th month coming for another visit to Dr. Bolton's office, my hero. My surgery is it's absolutely phenomenally incredible. Please call me, email me. I mean, I'm just so excited that he did such an amazing job. Every time I walk in the door and he says, where is the line? I can't see it, it's getting smaller and smaller. And now I'm the first one in the pool, and I want to stay in the pool, and I want to be in the pool. I don't think I've enjoyed my pool so much. Thank you, Dr. Bolton, I have a pool. I just can't even imagine anyone not doing something like this. It's amazing.
I have a lot of hairs growing. I'm getting some decent growth already at this stage at 2 months. I feel like it's fuller, thicker, better shape in my face. Very happy and enjoying it every day. This was just a great experience, a great result from day one. I feel like I'm probably the only one that can complain to the doctor that I got too much hair. I feel like it's already complete, 100% ecstatic with my results. Thank you again, Dr. Bolton, for doing such incredible work for me and for everybody else. It's much appreciated.
Thought that it would probably take off 3 years of my life, and people are telling me anywhere from 10 to 20. It's way beyond my expectations. My friends are being talked to and I'm not, and the reason is they don't recognize me. That's a pleasant side effect of having a hair transplant, especially with Dr. Bolton. After meeting everybody here and the staff, I decided to come here, and it was well worth it. You get what you pay for. I think the thing is you want to find somebody who specializes and does only this, and that was part of my decision, and thank goodness I did.
I first noticed my hair loss about 39 years old. There was very minimal pain. You know, it was a little discomfort, but just like any procedure I would assume, but a couple of Advil and I was fine. It's nice to not to try to hide it in the mirror and try to comb it each way. You know, it just grew in. It's fantastic. With Dr. Bolton, it was well worth it. This was the best results I've ever had. There was no scarring. There was no pain. I've recommended Dr. Bolton to quite a few people. Dr. Bolton, for all your help. It's fantastic. I love my new hair.